Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair plummeted 1.6% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dropped 0.4% in the last session, after rising as much as 2.7% during the session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair gained 1.7% in the last session, after rising as much as 2.1% during the session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The oil gained 0.5% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The Nasdaq and S&P 500 tumbled from record highs, hit by losses in Nvidia and Tesla, as investors rotated into smaller companies after softer-than-expected inflation data. Fed hopes the Federal Reserve will cut interest rates in September. Coinbase is releasing a new version of its crypto wallet that will allow users to access their portfolios from multiple platforms in a single place. Users will be able to connect any self-custodial wallet supported by Wallet Connect, including MetaMask and Phantom wallets, to have an aggregated view of assets across applications. The dollar dropped after data showed headline consumer prices unexpectedly fell in June, with the Japanese yen at one point gaining more than 2%, as traders priced in the likelihood that the Federal Reserve will begin cutting interest rates in September.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions will be released at 19:30 GMT. The Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting at 7 GMT. Japan's capacity utilisation at 4:30 GMT. Japan's industrial production will be released at 4:30 GMT. The US Producer Price Index at 12:30 GMT. The US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index at 14 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.